What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here. Now in today's video what I'm going to be doing is installing LED brake lights on my F32. I've seen a few videos, nobody's really touched up on the light assembly in the F32 that much, so I just thought I'd make a video as I'm going to change them anyway. So these are the bulbs in question. As usual, from AliExpress. I'll leave a link in the description as well if you want to grab yourself a pair as well. In terms of this mod, it's going to be here for around a month or so, but I'll touch on to that at the end of the video. But yeah, I just need to change these as my right one keeps popping up with the error saying it's failing, it's not working. So yeah, I just decided to buy them. But yeah guys, let's get into the installation. So guys, to obviously get the light assembly out itself, what you're going to need to do is take off this weather cover. So you'll see this little screw here. You don't even have to unscrew it, so it's literally just a case of just getting behind there and pulling it out, and then pull it back and then lift up. So the reason why I say pull back is there's this little clip here from there, and then there's the two little bits here as well. Oh god, this needs a clean, Jesus Christ. But yeah, that first clip that I showed you clips onto here, and then the other two into that hole there as well. To actually take out the light as well, what you're going to need to do, I believe it's 10mm. So unscrew these, pull the light a tiny bit. Now up here there's going to be like a little grommet that fixes in place, so you just need to hold onto here like that and pull, and with your other hand, or best thing to do is get like a trim piece tool, wrap it in some cloth, and just pull it out, and the tail light will just literally pop out. But I'll show you guys when I get to it. So I've obviously took that apart now, so I'm going to quickly show you. So I'm just going to pull this out. Now as I said, there's that little grommet there, so that goes into that hole there, so that's why you get the trim piece tool. So you just place it, let me just put that down, so you just place it here, just between the gap between the tail light and the bodywork, and then just literally just stick it in, and just so it loosens it up. So once the tail light's out, you'll just have this connection here just to unclip. I'll do that off camera as I don't want to scratch the paint. So yeah, you'll literally just unclip that, and then I'll show you the next steps. Yes guys, so tail light's out now. So what you're going to need to do is unclip this part, because this is where the indicator and the brake light bulb, is stored. So to take it out, you've got 1, 2 and 3 here. You're just going to need to pull up on these tabs here and pull out. So that's one done, and then pry that up and pull out, and then the last one is at the bottom. So once that's done, should in theory be able to slot that out like that, and then you'll be met with this board here. As explained before, I've already done the indicator bulbs, that's already LED. So this is the one I'm going to be changing today. So this is the brake light bulb. So I'll just get a small cloth. All you got to do is push down and twist away from yourself, so clockwise, if that's correct. No, it's anti-clockwise, sorry. So push down, twist anti-clockwise, and then the bulb's taken out. So I was having a bit of difficulties putting that in there, but it's finally in. This is me being stupid, but that's finally in now. So obviously it'll just be a case of getting the tail light itself and slotting that back in like so. So just make sure everything lines up, and then you'll hear the click. There you go, all 3 clicks. And then obviously you just plug in the main piece from the light assembly into there, and then just put everything back in place. So I'll just repeat the steps you've done. Yes guys, so pieced everything back together now. All of that's done. I forgot to mention, you may notice some flickering on the lights when you start the car. Don't worry about that. All you need to do is actually code it in with BIMA code. What I'll do is I'll leave the codes in the description. I do know, however, you do have to go to the REM, so the rear electric module, turn the monitoring for the bulbs off and change them to LED as well, and you won't get that flickering. If I do, as I said, if I do know the codes, I'll put them in the description. But yeah, just head over to the REM, so rear electric module, turn the bulb monitoring off and set the bulbs to LEDs as well, and you won't get any flickering at all, and no errors on the dash as well. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Another thing as well to mention, I did mention at the start of the video, is I said I'm going to be having these for around a month's time. The reason why it's going to be a month's time is I've actually got some LCI tail lights. So I've got the passenger side already. I've got this one from the driver's side. I just need to get this one. I've got the wiring, the retrofit harness, and I need to repair the clip on this because it's a common fault on F-series BMWs where the pins burn out. But I bought it from BMW yesterday. So as soon as I get the driver's side outer tail light, I'll be installing that. Obviously make a video on it as well. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share my videos as well, and if you want to subscribe to the channel, also click that notification bell as well, just so you're alerted as to when I upload a video, which is normally every Tuesday now anyway. But yeah guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.